Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some gorgeous winter basics for your wardrobe from H&M. I will have all the items linked in the description box down below. I include all the sizes that I picked everything up in, and if you're new or you just haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on for more fashion videos like this, and let's just jump straight into it. We're going to start things off with the dress that I'm wearing today because it is hands down one of my favorite pieces that I've picked up from H&M recently, and I love a good sweater dress during the winter months. If I had it my way, I'd wear a dress as much as I possibly could. I get really bored of wearing leggings and jeans. I don't know about you, but especially with a piece like this, you can dress it up or you can dress it down, making it really versatile to have in your wardrobe throughout the winter season. It's also in the most gorgeous oatmeal shade. I love my light winter neutrals, especially this time of year. It's in a ribbed effect material, so it has quite a bit of stretch to it, great for indulging, although it does feel fairly form-fitted to the body, although it's looser through the sleeves. So it has a nice kind of cozy, relaxed, but almost like sexy fit to it at the same time. It's composed of polyester, acrylic, and only 5% wool. So this is for you if you have a strong wool sensitivity like me. You don't want to compromise on warmth, but you don't want to feel the itch. So I tend to stick to 5% or under for pieces that are directly coming into contact with my body. It also has this really nice zip detail at the front here. So you can zip it right up and it almost gives you like chic après-ski vibes, if you will, or you can unzip it like I have styled up today. And I think it's kind of like flirty, kind of sexy, cute to wear out on date night or out with the girls, or just out running errands or whatever it is that you're getting up to. But alas, if you are looking for something with slightly more of a relaxed fit where you don't have to compromise on the length, then this next sweater dress may be the piece for you. Very similar in color to the one that I have on today. It definitely has a nice length to it, and you can see it's quite loose fitted throughout the body. It has that gorgeous classic cable knit material running through it, down the sleeves as well, and then they're really nice and cuffed. And then this one has a really interesting design detail at the back. So it has a little slit right here, which I thought was really smart and interesting and very clever to see, because a lot of the times you find with mock necks and turtlenecks that they're a little bit restricting and suffocating and kind of uncomfortable to wear. Whereas I think this one is going to add for a little bit of movement and even a bit more breathability. And so I'm excited to try it out, and I'll definitely report back on my Instagram stories and let you know how I'm getting on with this piece. Now, although I don't really care for cooler temperatures, I'm not a cold weather kind of a girl, and we happen to have 1.5 feet of snow outside of my window, what I do care for are all of the cute, cozy, and stylish pieces that we see come out this time of year, and I could not pass on this set. I thought it was just absolutely darling. It's in that eyelash material, which I think is so beautiful this time of year. And it's in a really pretty off-white shade. Now, these pieces you pick up separately. You don't necessarily need both, but I thought they looked pretty cute as a set, or you can style them with other pieces that you do have in your wardrobe. So we're gonna start off with a little tank top. It's just so cute. I think it would look really great with a pair of leggings, with jeans, with a high-waisted skirt. It's super stretchy and nice and cozy feeling on the body. I grabbed it in a size small. I would have rather had it in an extra small, but I do think it fits true to size. And then this sweater is just gorgeous. Like, look at those buttons. It has a nice thickness to it as well. And I think you can style it with maybe a pair of high-waisted leggings that would look really cute, or a pair of high-waisted jeans. You could open it up and throw it over top of a dress. I think it even pass as a workwear piece. Like, I could easily wear this to the bank. And although the tank looks a little bit cropped, underneath the sweater, it's not as cropped as you think. So I think this is really beautiful to dress up or down. It would be even quite cute on a date, or if you're going out on Valentine's Day. Okay, how chic is this next knitted set for your winter wardrobe from H&M? I mentioned back in the fall season in my fall trends video that knitted sets were going to be one of the top trends that we're seeing for the fall season. season, but it's no surprise that it's been carried into the winter season as well. Now, I picked this setup in a store. I thought it looked so cool. I had to try it out. How gorgeous is the cable knit design detail? I think it's so intricate. It looks high-end and expensive. Even just the design and the cut of it. I think it's gonna really hug your curves. It falls to a nice length. It has these really pretty knitted straps at the top, and then it dips down a little bit at the back. So it shows a little bit of skin, but keep in mind you are wearing a sweater on the majority of your body. And then this is a little shrug style top. And I believe that these became really popular, I wanna say, towards like the end of winter 2021 season, and then they're being worn in spring, and of course they've come back during the fall and winter for this year. I think that this is quite the completed look that we don't get a lot of times with our little dresses, especially the ones that are strapless. So this is really practical and very functional, especially during the winter time, because you can throw it over top of your dress and it looks like it's part of your outfit, and then your little jacket on over top. So you're not gonna freeze to death, but you know, if you're getting too hot, you can take it off. But I just thought it was really cool. I mean, the design on this one as well, it matches the dress perfectly. It's incredibly beautiful. You just pop it over top of your head. You don't exclusively need to wear it with the dress. I think it would look really cute with a white or a black tank. You can style it with jeans, or you can wear it a little bit more casually if you're wanting to wear it kind of as like a warm up style sweater. Both of these pieces were made from the Conscious range as well. Now, I realize that we're in the midst of winter and I've been sharing with you some shorter dress options, but if you're looking for something that's a little bit longer, then don't worry, I've got you covered. So I picked up this gorgeous, I want to say midi length, but it's definitely more of a maxi length dress on me, and it's in this gorgeous blue knitted material. I think it's absolutely stunning. This is like the prettiest color to wear this time of year. It's going to cover up the majority of your body, so you don't need to worry about being cold. It has some really pretty design details from the V-neck at the top here. It's a little bit plunging, but not OTT. It has these really nice voluminous sleeves. Can you see those? I think they're so pretty, and then it's cuffed on the wrist. And then it also has, let me just pull it up here for you, some slits down at the bottom. How I envision styling this is probably gonna need it with a belt because it's a little bit oversized on me, despite the fact that I did pick it up in a size extra small. So you potentially might want to size it down with this one. You can definitely layer up underneath it, and I think it would be really cute paired with tights and a really gorgeous pair of ankle or knee-high boots. I actually picked this up to wear to my job at the bank. It can get a little bit chilly inside, and so I want to look chic but still be extra warm and cozy. And if you're having guests over, you're going to be entertaining, this could be such a beautiful piece to wear as well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really excited to wear this little teddy bear pullover, and yes, it's from H&M, hear me out. So I actually spotted this top on a girl I follow over on Instagram several months back. I thought it was the cutest thing ever. I love the way she styled it up, and then I went and looked at the link, and then I saw the price of it and I was like, oh, absolutely not. So it's definitely a dupe from a piece that's on the Storette's website. They have a jacket form of this and it's like over $100, whereas I don't think that this was more than $30. So that's definitely a little bit more what I'm willing to pay, especially for a piece like this, because it is super casual. It's definitely more loungewear, though I do think it'd be cute to pop out, run errands, or maybe if you're going on a winter vacation into the mountains or something like that. It's young, but it's still playful and cute. It's in seriously the coziest material. I can't wait to start wearing this. It has a little pocket at the front, lots of neutrals in here, so you can style it up with leggings, or you could pop it over top of a pair of jeans as well. It has the zipper at the top here, and then I actually sized up. I got it in a size small. I would probably recommend sizing up because otherwise it will be a little bit cropped. And I mean, it is the winter time. We don't want to completely freeze, but I am really happy that I found this at H&M. I hope it's still available because I'll have it linked below for you. This next dress you may recognize. I know, it's another dress, but I like what I like, okay? But you might recognize it from my Instagram because I shared it in a video with 8 different last minute Christmas outfit ideas. It was a reel. I post a lot of reels over on Instagram actually. I'm very sassy, direct, and I have fun putting together videos. So if you like a little bit of sarcasm mixed with style, then definitely give me a follow over on Instagram because I put out a lot of videos over there. But this dress I thought was so gorgeous, not only for the holiday season, but I think to wear throughout the month of January and February. Although it does have a little bit of bling and embellishment on the bottom, I don't see why you couldn't wear this as a workwear piece, or if you're getting dressed up, going out for dinner or drinks or something like that in the evening. Of course it's black, but I mean, how gorgeous is the design detail across the bottom? The embellishment is not carried across the back, which is good because we do need to sit down from time to time, so you don't want any, pearls or gemstones hanging off because they could become loose as well. It definitely has more of a relaxed fit to it, which is nice. And then these gorgeous sleeves. Now, in terms of the composition of the materials on this one, it's a little bit different because this contains 5% alpaca. So the wool is just a little bit longer, a little bit looser. It's not itchy at all, but you can definitely layer up underneath this one. I would just put a little thermal and then pop on a pair of tights and a really cute pair of boots. And it's perfect for a lot of different occasions during the winter months. Or if you're more into leggings and a really pretty sweater, then this is definitely the option for you. And I also shared it in that same reel over on Instagram if you're recognizing this one as well. If I was going on a nice ski vacation this winter season, this is what I would bring with me. 100%. You can style it with leggings, with a pair of jeans. It can be really elevated. I think it would look super dressy if you're going out for a nice dinner in the mountains or you're having some nice cocktails, because look at those stunning sleeves. They definitely give you kind of like alpine, après-ski vibes, but then you're getting that really nice, gorgeous jewel and pearl embellishment, which is carried across the back of it because you're not going to be sitting on it. And let me tell you, these sleeves are super cozy and warm. You are not going to freeze in this sweater at all. It also has more of a two-neck length, which is fantastic. It's going to cover up the booty and just a nice relaxed fit. So you can definitely layer up underneath it, but you're gonna look fabulous if you're going out this winter season. Now, as much as I appreciate a really nice, cozy, chic, and warm sweater during the winter months, I also really like winter accessories, and I'm sure you do too. So how freaking cute is this little bag? I just about died. When I spotted it in store, I ran up to it and ran up to the cash register so freaking quickly and purchased it because I thought this might sell out quite quickly. It is absolutely adorable, and it is really going to elevate some of your outfits. Faux fur is always in style during the winter months. It is chic, it makes a statement, it adds a little bit of texture and interest to your outfit, and I guarantee people are going to ask you where this bag is from, and they'll just about hit the floor when you tell them they're from H&M and it was under 30 Canadian dollars. So not only is this bag absolutely as cute as can be, but it's also functional, and I'll show you why. It's not just a top panel bag. No. It also has either a shoulder strap or a crossbody strap because it's adjustable, and I mean, I love a functional piece. And oh, I should also mention it's removable. So if you don't want the strap, you can take it off the bag, but I think it's nice to have options for sure. And then on the interior, it also has a zip pocket, and who doesn't love a zip pocket inside of their purse? I know I do, because I don't always like to take a wallet with me, so you can pop your ID, your credit cards, you can put a lipstick in there, anything that you want to safeguard in your bag and know it's zipped away safely, but still make a statement during the winter season. Now, perhaps the real star of today's video are these boots that I spotted on H&M's website, and I ordered as quickly as I possibly could, because not only do they look super high-end and expensive, but they're even better in person. I'm so incredibly impressed with these boots. They look like they're designer. They definitely look like dupes of Chloe, but at a fraction of the price. And guess what? Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know what you paid for these boots, but trust me, if you wanna elevate your outfit this winter season, these boots are going to do it for you. The faux fur is so freaking soft. It feels luxurious. It feels plush. The construction and the design detail and attention that went into these, 100% there. It's adjustable at the front. Just look at the back. Like, these are beautiful. And then it has that really nice thick rubber sole at the bottom that's gonna grip nicely to the ground. You don't need to worry about bailing outside, but you're still gonna look chic while you're out there. Then these are definitely the boots for you. I ordered them in a size US 8. They fit true to size, and I wouldn't pass these up. Oh dear. Always with the dramatics, I just can't help myself sometimes. But next up is this really cute little gray cropped knit sweater. This is like the perfect basic to have in your winter wardrobe. It's not too cropped. If you style it with something high-waisted, don't worry, you're not gonna have any tummy on display. It has these really beautiful sleeves, a nice thick knit material. Now this one is definitely kind of more of a turtleneck mock neck. We're gonna go turtleneck. I think that's how it's going to look, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna be too tight around the neck, but you can see it has a nice kind of flowy, loose fit to it, not itchy at all. Oh, it's so soft. This is beautiful. I do think it comes in a couple of different colors, so I'll try and insert that or link them down below. And I think in terms of styling it, I'll probably wear it with jeans or a pair of faux leather leggings. You could also style it with like a maxi skirt or a midi skirt if you wanted to wear it to work. I think that would look really cute as long as it's, you know, tucked underneath it so you don't have any, you know, midriff on display. But I mean, you really can't go wrong. H&M just has so many beautiful sweaters and great basics for your winter wardrobe this year. I was going through my fall and winter clothes this year and I realized that I had donated and given away and even sold a lot of my stuff. Like I'm talking 75% of my wardrobe. And I mean, I know my life was falling apart. And so I don't know what possessed me to do it, but I found myself in this situation where I'm kind of lacking some pieces in my wardrobe. And as much as I love coats, I'm kind of shocked that I don't have more of these. So I picked up this really gorgeous faux fur coat. I didn't really have a cute teddy coat that I was in love with. I have my black faux fur coat and I also have a really gorgeous red burgundy one, but I really only wear that in December and I wanted something that would carry me through the month of January and February. So I spotted this one from H&M and I thought it was gorgeous and I wasn't sure what I was gonna think about it in person, but it's better in person. It really is. It definitely could pass as a designer piece. The fabric is beautiful. It's completely aligned on the interior. It's like the dreamiest teddy bear cozy color. It comes to a really nice length. So it's kind of more of like a mid-length. It's gonna cover up the booty, the majority of your body. I grabbed it in a size extra small. It was also sourced consciously, which I love. And I believe it has nice little pockets at the front. It's just super snuggly. It has a latch closure so you can fasten it closed. But I mean, whether you're wearing something quite casual or you want to get a little bit more dressed up, I feel like this jacket is going to tick all those boxes for you. And these style of coats and jackets, they never really go out of style. So you can be confident that you can pick one up this year and you'll be able to wear it next season as well. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and seeing all the beautiful winter basics for your wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're staying warm and taking care. And I cannot wait to see you back here in my next video. Bye.